welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. This week we're up in Boston and we're interviewing a number of companies that are in the New England area. And on our program today is Mike Storella, and he is a Director of Business Development at Snom. Mike, how are you?
Very good, Rich. How you been?
Great. I've been following your company since its birth.
Yeah.
Earlier this, about a decade or
It's
so?
about 12 years now.
Wow.
So yeah, we've been around for a long time. Yeah.
So congratulations,
Thank you.
and thanks for being here. I was hoping to just talk a little bit about the company from your perspective.
Okay. Right now, in fact, it's been a pretty exciting year for us. We came out with a lot of new products. One of which I brought some samples with me. It's called the Snom 1, and basically it's the first offering from Snom of an IP PBX. And to just give you a little bit about it, we thought we did something pretty unique. We have a couple of different versions. One is called the Snom 1 Yellow, Snom 1 Blue, and we actually have a Snom 1 Free. So just a brief description, the Snom 1 Free basically is either a download or a CD for a 10 user or 10 extension IP PBX. The yellow is 20 extensions, and the blue is basically around 150 to 200 extension system. A little more detail is, it runs on the Linux, Windows, and Mac. You bring your own server. But the nice thing about this package, too, is it has all the features. So there isn't different feature packages. So you get all the features of a fully blown, ready-to-go IP PBX.
Now, you said that you've got different versions, and one was free. So basically, you start paying after 10. Is that
Well, the list price for the Snom 1 Yellow is $8.95.
Okay.
And the list price for the blue is $14.95.
Okay.
And basically, you can go to our website right now, or snom1.com, and download a free version of this. It's basically a fully functional, IP PBX. Matches up very, very well with our phones, of course. Does plug and play, a lot of features. Of course, comes with voicemail and auto attendant and conferencing and all kinds of features.
That's great. So in terms of the competitive landscape, what are you seeing out there?
Well, I think what we're seeing is, definitely a movement towards unified communications. As you know, earlier in the year, we announced one of our phones was qualified with the Microsoft Lynx products. So we're seeing a lot of activity and a lot of trialing of what I'll call a very, very nice integrated Microsoft product into the enterprise. And so on the SMB space, this is what we're offering, okay, and has some of those neat features. So it's been a very good year for, I think, getting more and more VoIP integrated into the business operation.
Now, more specifically, are there companies that you're seeing that you're going up against that you're seeing market share increasing against, or is that something you're measuring?
I think, of course, we're always looking at it. I mean, there's a lot of good competitors in the business. I mean, I think different companies bring different things to the marketplace. I mean, we've always been about affordability on the phones, leading edge, and security. In fact, this month we're announcing a new product called Crypto Phone, which is going to be a highly secure product that will enhance our phones to be very, very secure, almost like military grade. Okay, so a lot of those details will be coming in the next month. Next year we have some new products coming out, okay, that we've been working on all year. So over the last 3 years, I mean, we've been just plowing ahead, ignoring the economic reality sometimes of what's going out in the world, but I think that's done us very well. We've grown the company very much in the U.S., and we're in 60 countries. Okay, so we've really expanded all over the place.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow. So it seems that in a tough economy, then companies are looking to save money, and so they're looking for cost-effective solutions.
Yeah, absolutely. Right? In fact, our Snom 1 probably is the most cost-effective solution out there right now for a full-blown IP PBX with all the features this thing has. There are just too many to list in this short interview.
I'm sure people can go to your website and check that out.
Yeah, and one of the other things to point out, I mean, in all our packages, these software packages, you get this nice. It's not probably pretty green of us to do this, but
it's a real username.
It's a real username.
Wow, I haven't seen one of those in a long time.
And of course, the updates will be online, and actually, you can download one of these online. But when you buy the package from one of our VARs, you know, you get this book, and it tells you how to basically configure everything.
That's great.
Yeah. So we're taking, I think, the PBX business to another level and just making it easier, more affordable, you know, to have a very much of a quality product.
Great. So what's next for the company?
Next is, you know, clearly we're all about endpoints in the voice over IP business. I mean, we're working on some new things that'll come out next year. I can't talk about them now, but we're always enhancing our phone operation. You know, our two leading edge phones, the 870 and the 821, which are color screens and touch screens on one of them, are doing very well in the marketplace. Again, very affordable and competitive. You know, they do Wi-Fi, they're HD ready, they're gigabit speed phones.
Wow.
So it's everything anybody really wants for a voice terminal on their desk.
That's great.
Yeah, very good.
Thanks for being on the program, Mike. This was great.
It's always a pleasure, Rich.
Likewise.
Thanks.